Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will show you how to repair your tractor in Farming Simulator 25. So let's get started. First open your map and you will see a shop icon near your farm that looks like a shopping bag. Now head to this shop and look for a blue building with yellow markers in front of it. These markers indicate where you should park your tractor for repairs. Once parked, exit your vehicle and walk over to the wrench icon nearby. Interact with it by pressing R on your keyboard. This will show you the repair cost for your vehicle. Click on repair or press C to complete the process. And that's it. Your tractor is now repaired and ready to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.